How to hide your Snap score from friends. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Then click on your profile at the top left corner of your screen. In here, click on gear icon at the top right, which will lead you to this page. In here, simply scroll down and search for Contact Me, and then press on Contact Me. In here, if there is option for everyone, make sure tick mark is in friends. After you do that, you can simply go to your chat. After you're in your chat, you can simply click on the person you want to hide your Snap score from. It will open their profile. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. In here, click on Manage Friendship. After that, at the bottom, click on Remove Friend. For now, there is no one way to hide your Snap score from friends. You will need to simply unfriend them for them to not see your Snap score. This is how to hide your Snap score from friends. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.